Alright, so we're back. We're just doing some minor glue ups on the boat. All the videos for the large RC boat will be on my page, but getting to the nitty gritty, this square that I have, it's just a plastic cheap square that I got with my saw, and it's good. It's like a real good size, but it doesn't have a good bottom on it. Like, you know, you can't sit it flat all the time. It falls over. So this one here that I got at it was like a reuse center. It was just stuff that people chuck out. This one's actually a made in Sheffield, England, and it's got a nice hefty base. It's good. It's just got some rust on it, but cosmetically, who cares? And everything sits nice. Look at it. Like, why wouldn't you design a square with wider bases? Maybe we can fix it. So, hot off the press, came out super nice. Didn't take very long at all. I'm probably going to work on a few more parts, but yeah, couldn't be happier with how that thing turned out. So you can see with that little base attached that it just slides on. Very simple. I allowed, I think it was 20 thousandths, just to account for the shrinkage and whatever else. Seems to fit fine. So there we go. You know, I can place it down and not really worry about it tipping over. And then when I want to, I can just push it up to a joint, just like so. And hey presto, it'll just stay there. You know, if you really wanted to, you could extend the back here. That way you can put a clamp on there, or you could even extend it and even just put a weight on top of it. You could make one for the front side. I didn't choose to, just because I'm probably going to print out some custom ones. So that's it, guys. That's just a little bit of a workshop tinkering going on. Hope everyone gets a little bit of a kick out of it. I know that I'll get a lot of use out of that, actually. Very easy just to leave that part there and make sure it's square. So it's going to come in really handy. So I hope everyone can like, comment and subscribe.